Hi and welcome back. In this video, I would like to share with you a very simple and easy and quick Kalakand recipe. Usually it's a time-taking recipe and requires a lot of skill to make it. In this video, I'll be sharing a trick to how to make Kalakand at home with few simple steps. So let's get started. So first take a non-stick pan with a very thick bottom. Do not turn on the stove yet. Then add 1 cup of milk. Add 3/4 cups of sugar and 2.5 cups of milk powder. You can find this milk powder in any of the Desi stores or American stores. Add half a cup of ghee and first thoroughly mix this together. Just make sure there are no lumps. Take your time. It might take around 5 to 7 minutes. And once you make sure there are no lumps, then turn on the stove. And once you turn on the stove, keep mixing it so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Just one small tip or something that you need to be very careful of is to make sure the stove or the temperature is in medium to low. Never cook this on high temperatures because there is a very high chance of getting burnt. For the first few minutes, you can just keep stirring. And after 10 minutes, you will get a thick consistency. Then add cardamom powder. Once you add cardamom powder, give it another 5 minutes. And then you will see a very good thick consistency. Keep mixing it till you get a consistency of dough, like a chapati or a puri dough. So that's the consistency that I like. So this is done. You can notice that nothing is stuck to the bottom. So now take a silicone container or a glass container will do as well. Just put some parchment paper and move all the Kalakand mixture into the bowl. And then garnish it with any dry fruits. You can add almonds, cashews, and pistachios, and also saffron if you like it. And then just place it in the refrigerator for around 2 to 3 hours, and it will be ready to be served. So that's it, the Kalakand is ready and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. It's very simple, it's very easy and an instant quick fix and your kids will love it. Do give it a try and please do subscribe to my channel. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.